Have you ever wondered how much damage a single narcissistic personality can cause to those around them? Let's delve into the world of narcissism, a personality trait that's more than just self-love. It's characterized by an inflated sense of self-importance, a deep need for excessive attention and admiration, and a lack of empathy for others. Now, imagine these traits in a person you interact with daily. That can be a lot to handle, right? Here's an example. Jane, a mother of two, was married to a narcissist who constantly belittled her and manipulated her into believing she was worthless. Over time, Jane's self-esteem took a nosedive, leading to severe depression. Narcissists like Jane's ex-husband are adept at using manipulative tactics that can cause emotional and psychological harm. They're masters of gaslighting, a form of psychological manipulation where they make you doubt your own reality and sanity. As we've seen, the effects of narcissism on people are far-reaching and can be devastating. Now, consider the impact of narcissism within a family structure. The family dynamics can be significantly warped when a narcissist is in the mix. Picture a parent or sibling who, instead of nurturing and supporting, is focused on their own needs and image. They create a toxic environment, manipulating others to feed their ego, a concept psychologists term as narcissistic supply. Let's take a look at a few case studies. We find that in families with a narcissistic parent, the other members often feel unloved and unseen. This is because the narcissist's needs take precedence over everyone else's. They may use guilt, shame, and fear to manipulate their family, causing psychological trauma that can last for years, even after the family member has left the toxic environment. The family, a supposed safe haven, can turn into a battleground with a narcissist at its helm. So, after the storm has passed, what remains in the wake of a narcissist's destruction? The aftermath of enduring narcissistic behavior can be a landscape of emotional wreckage. It's marked by long-term effects such as diminished self-esteem, ongoing feelings of worthlessness, and even chronic anxiety and depression. But it's crucial to remember that this is not the end of the story. Seeking professional help and support is vital to navigate this difficult terrain. Therapists, support groups, and even online communities can provide invaluable resources to aid the healing process. Together, they can help rebuild the sense of self that was eroded by the narcissist's abuse. The journey towards recovery might be long and arduous, but it's a path towards reclaiming one's life. It's about learning to recognize the value within oneself, to establish healthy boundaries, and to foster meaningful, respectful relationships. While the wounds inflicted by a narcissist may run deep, recovery is not only possible but crucial for those who have been affected.